So hello guys, my name is Samir Mishra and you all are watching at True Wallet Tech. So guys, in this video I am going to tell you how you can use the Minesweeper section in Combo Mod APK and how you can win effectively. The Minesweeper game is giving too much losses, but still I have founded one way that you can use this mod APK. Only in one section it's working, and you can see this snake type of section here below serial snake type of section, and right of that this graph kind of above the anchor, the one which you can see that that section is going pretty well, but still you should avoid playing Minesweeper now this time, because it's a very unstable trend. Means it's giving almost losses, but still you can try if you wish to, but you have to open till 4th or maximum 5th, not more than that, or else you will lose money definitely. So you can check this blue color section. This one you have to use. Okay, you have to use that only, and then click on predict section, and you have to open 4th or 5th, 5 maximum 5, not more than that. Just claim the bonus at 4th or 5th max. If you are playing with high, just don't go till 5. You should claim the bonus at 4th only. But if you are going at low, you can just try 5th or 6th, the more that you want. But sometimes it's giving very great, like you can see this snake type of section. If I open the snake section, you can see this is working like snake. And if we do this reverse section, you can check 1 2 3 4, then line by line, one line there in this way, one line in that way. So all the sections are different, but you have to only choose this, the anchor, the above anchor one section, that will work great. And you can see this circle section. You can check 1 2 3 4, all the numbers are in circle. Okay, so you have to open from 1. Okay, you just have to open from 1, then go to 2, then go to 3, then go to 4. Okay, the section which is saying bomb, that have the most probability to get the bomb. Okay, so just play by very carefully, play very carefully in Minesweeper. But many people have told me, or many people have requested me to make the video on this section, so I'm making it. And you all can check out this section also if you wish to, but I am just already cautiously telling you that you should not play this game, because it's giving very much losses. But still, it's your wish, it's your money. Okay, I am only telling you how you can use this mod APK in this section. Okay, so you should play well and play very carefully by observing the trend. Minesweeper is not giving very much profit, but you can still choose and buy the mod. Only one section is working. I have told you, the above the anchor, that section which you are seeing, that is working. And if anyone want the mod APK, they can DM me on Instagram, and as soon as they pay the money, I will just give them mod APK. Okay, you can. For more details, you can just DM me and check out the mod APK, or if you have any doubts, you can just ask me and then take the mod APK. But don't ask the same question, that do you have mod APK, will you give mod APK after I will pay. So don't ask. I have just made, or I have just paid for this mod APK to sell only. So don't worry. If you will pay, as soon as you pay, I will send you mod APK. Just you have to choose. You have to take this combo mod APK or any other fast parity mod APK. There are two mod APKs. You can check out more videos. They are not in English, but I will definitely try to make all the videos in English too. Okay, so you can just check. You don't have to play in any section in this mod APK. Just the above the anchor, that one, that you have to play. Okay, and the app link is given in description. You can check out the app links. You can check out the app and join if you want to. You will get the bonus. And if you will play by this link and play with heavy recharge, I will just give you some bonuses also. Okay, so you have to play by this section only. I have encircled the section. ठीक है, and all the links are given in description. You can also join my Telegram channel if you wish to. I give the update latestly at there. I give the update most latestly there only. Okay, so you can check out the Telegram channel also. Okay, now let's move to the game section, and we will play it. Just you have to observe how am I playing, and how we have to just predict, or how just we have to use it. Okay, so if you have any doubt, you can just DM me on Instagram. Okay, now let's move to the क्या कहते हैं, to the prediction section. Okay, now you have to just check out. you don't have to use 2 by 2 section because it's giving very much losses, because you only have 4 blocks. There are many, there is many, very much probability that you will end at loss only. If you have opened 2 blocks that are also very much profitable, but don't try it, else you will lose your money most of the time. Okay, so now we will bet at 4 by 4 section. Okay, and we will go by this, the above anchor, that graph kind of pattern, and then we will click on predict. Okay, so now let us open the application and we will move to that. Now I have opened this application, and you can see we will switch to 4 by 4. It's on 8 by 8, and you can check out the all the peoples are just betting here. You can check out all the people have betted here. Now we will switch to 4 by 4 section, and then we will go on this. You can check we have just opened this section. You can check there, the light blue color is coming, and you can see in every other section it's purely white. So this is the sign that we have switched to that section. When it becomes a little bit blue, or it becomes sky blue, or a very fainted blue, it says, then we can expect that the section is on. Okay, so now we will switch to 4 by 4 section, and I will start. I will not bet with very much amount, but I am just telling, just to tell you and just to give you demo. I am just betting with just 10 rupees, not very much. And you can see all the people are betting here, and they are claiming the bonuses. And now we will just move to the betting, or just move to playing, and we will start it with 10 rupees only. Okay, at first we will start it with 10 rupees. You can do 20 and then just cross it and do to 10 rupees. Okay, you can do to 10 rupees, and we will click on OK. And now we will move to mod APK section, and now we will open 1 2 3. Okay, the third have the most of the probability, that because it's showing bomb there, but we'll open it. And the 16th have, the more the number, the more the probability to have bomb. But sometimes it also happens that on first number or second or third number, you can also expect the bomb. And we are not using any other section. We will open it till 4 5. Okay, you can see we have opened till 5. I have just opened 6th also, but it by my luck, it just not opened. But still, what is the problem? We will go till only 5 draw. 5 are maximum. Okay, and I am betting with 10 rupees only, so there is no problem if I go very high also, but I will not do that. Or else you can check the bomb was in which number. We can just check the bomb was in which number. The bomb was in 11th number. So if you have opened till 10th also, you would have ended in profit. Okay, so this is how it works. So don't worry, you can check out this. Only use this pattern. Okay, or else you will end in loss only in first or second block only, or in first or second box only, you will end in loss. Okay, so now we will do it for next. And now we'll just again bet with 10 rupees. Okay, so now again we will bet with 10 rupees, and just go to that section, and we will again click on predict. Okay, now we will again click on predict, because all the blocks have changed. Now you can see the pattern has changed, the numbers and the places have also changed. Okay, so we will now open 1 2 3 and 4. Okay, you can check out, open number by number, 1, then 2, then 3 and 4, and 5 is maximum, and else it's your wish. You can check out, because in this video one bomb will also be on 16th section. 16th section, there will one bomb also be on 16th section. Okay, so that's but it's your luck whether it's coming on first or whether it's going on 16th. So okay, you have to bet very carefully by just choosing the correct option. You can check out in this section, the bomb was in 16th block. So you can check out, if you would have opened all the 15 block, then you would have won the whole game. Okay, so the bomb was in 16th section, the last box. So you can check out, the mod is working finely, but in Minesweeper this is giving loss, so you can just avoid it, and else your wish. My job is to just create the videos and give it to you regarding my mod, and I will just tell the details of every section of this mod APK one by one. It's very hard in English, but still I will try, because the same video in Hindi also and English also, it becomes very hard and very time taking. So don't worry. Now again we will click on this section, because you can see the section was whole white. So the prediction was going on, from any section. So I have just one time clicked on that section, the graph section, and now I have just clicked on predict, and again I have opened 1 2 3 and 4 block, and now we will not, because the same, you can check out the same first pattern came again. So we will just, you can check the bomb wasn't fixed. If I would have opened this block, then we would have ended at loss. Okay, so this is how the luck also works, and this is how the mod also works. So if you have you have this video was informative, you can like the video, and if you like the video, you can share it to your friends also, who all are interested in these kinds of game, and all the links are mentioned below, guys. Okay, so if you can check out, we ended in profit, not very much, because we have just betted with 10 rupees only, so not very much profit, but we have just ended in profit. Okay, profit. If you would have played with a huge investment, you would have ended at more profit. Okay, so it's your wish how much to invest, how to play. Okay, but if you want mod APK, you can just DM me on Instagram, and as soon as you pay me, this mod is not free. This is not free. You can just buy it, you can purchase it by giving the amounts of this mod. Okay, and as soon as you pay me, I will give it. Thank you.